From our mathematics, the author it is S.A. Chattakun. That's the textbook that we are using, the TVET first. Right. We'll be looking at activity 5.1. We'll do number 1, number 6, number 10, and yeah, and the other one, I don't know its number what. Now we are given limit x approaches 1, 3x plus 2 divide by 5x. Right. Now it will be 3. We'll then substitute, we'll apply the direct substitution method. It will be 3 multiplied by 1 plus 2 divide by 5 multiplied by 1. Then we get our answer as 1, because 3 plus 5 plus 2 equals to 5. 5 divided by 5, it will be 1. Then let us look at number 6 in our books. We are given limit 3x squared minus x divided by x. Then we are having x as it approaches 0. If we were to do the direct substitution here, our answer would be undefined. Then we then have to take out the common factor. We have to take out the common factor for that, for us not to get the undefined limits. Then on the numerator, the common factor would be x. Then it will be 3x minus 1 divided by x. The x and the x will cancel out. Then when we do the direct substitution, it will be 3 multiplied by 0 minus 1. Then our final answer would be minus 1 there. This is how we apply the techniques as well. This is how we apply the techniques that we touched on. Now let's look at this one. Limit as x approaches the infinity. We are having e to the power x plus 4x to the power negative 2 plus 3. All right. Then when we do the direct substitution, we'll have e to the power 1 divided by infinity plus 4 multiplied by infinity squared, 1 divided by 4 multiplied by infinity squared, then plus 3. We know that this one, it will give us 0. It will be 0 plus 0 plus 3. Then our answer equals to 3. Right. Then let us look at another example. That would be number 7. If we are given limit x approaches 3, 2x minus 6 divided by x cubed minus 27. Now for us to be able to solve this one, it will be limit x approaches 3. Then here on the numerator we'll take out the common factor, and the common factor would be 2. Then it will be 2x minus 3 divide by, at the bottom we are having the difference of cube. Since all we are having the difference of cube, we then need to simplify it. It will be x minus 3 open close bracket, then it will be x squared plus 3x plus 9. Right. X minus 3 will cancel out. Then when we then do the direct substitution, then we'll have 2 divided by 3 squared plus 3 multiplied by 3 plus 9. Then we will have 2 9 plus 9 plus 9 then equals to 2 divided by 27. That would be your answer to that. Then let us then look at the last example. Let us then look at the last example. If we are given limit x approaches 6, x minus 6 divided by square root x plus 3 minus 3. When we do the direct substitution, you'd realize that our limit will be undefined. Therefore, we need to then simplify it. We need to simplify it. In simplifying it, we'll then rationalize. We'll use the rational method to simplify the whole thing. That means we'll be having limit as x approaches 6. It will be x minus 6, okay, divide by square root x plus 3 minus 3. Then when we are rationalizing, it will be multiplied by square root x plus 3. Then it will be plus 3 divided by square root x plus 3 plus 3. We are rationalizing. Then from here we can multiply. Then from here we can multiply. When we multiply the numerator and multiply everything on the denominator, this is what we will have. It will be limit as x approaches 6, x minus 6, and close bracket, root x plus 3 divide by x plus 3 minus 9. Right, you can tell here it will be this factor or term multiplied by that, this one multiplied by that, then this one, it is nothing but the difference of two squares. Hence we will lend ourselves to it, because it will be square root x plus 3 multiplied by square root x plus 3, then it will give you x plus 3. Then it will be this multiplied by that, this multiply, then they will not cancel out, they will give us 0, then you'll be left with negative 3 multiplied by 3, then you get that. Right, that's what we have there. Then from there we are having limit x approaches 6, then it will be x minus 6, open close bracket, square root x plus 3 plus 3 close bracket. Then at the bottom we'll be having x minus 6, because we'll then add the like terms, then we'll get negative 6. We'll have x minus 6 because it will be 3 minus it from 9, then we get x minus 6. Then the x minus 6, it will cancel out with the x minus 6. Then from here we are left with limit square root x plus 3 plus 3. Then from here we can do the direct substitution. In doing the direct substitution, then as x approaches 6, then we will have square root 6 plus 3 plus 3. Then we know that 6 plus 3, in removing the square root, it will give us 9. Then the square root, it is 6 plus 3, it will be 9. Then the square root of 9, it is 3. Then we will have 3 plus 3. Then our answer would be 6. Then our answer would be 6. This is how we tackle this activity. Anyway, this is activity 5.1. Right, 5.1. All right, thank you, good people.